So today we're at the American Society of Civil Engineering Student Steel Bridge Competition hosted by Roger Williams. So the steel bridge is a scaled down version of what's supposed to simulate a real life problem. And this year's was the Rio Grande. We had to create a pedestrian bridge to cross it. And we're given certain constraints based on real world examples of keeping channels open for navigation and environmental concerns. It challenges you in ways that school, I don't want to say school doesn't, but it's an addition to school because it's more of an application sense of it. So we look at, how much weight we can hold, what's actually going to happen to it. So then when we put the weight on it, we can see it and actually know why it happened that way, why everything moves in certain ways. And then we get to see how other teams do and their ideas and compare them and talk to other teams about what their issues were as well. So it's cool to see all of the teams get together and how we all thought about the same problem and how we went about solving it. The collaboration really is great. It's the best part of it because today was the culmination of everything we've done through the last 2 semesters. So we started with, we get the rules and then we have to examine those, start doing our design. Then we have to get it fabricated. We did some painting, cleaning up overall, and now here we are able to test it and actually see what our work came to. I also think it's fun to work with other people that have different backgrounds and ideas, and so I guess that's the collaboration point as well, is everybody comes from a different background, so we all have different ideas, and maybe somebody's done it before and they think they know the answer because, oh, I was there last year. But then somebody new comes in and says, well, what about this? And it might be even a better idea. So I think it's just getting together with people in my grade and going through the challenge of designing the bridge, building it all, and then getting here and really seeing how well we did.